Ah.
Damn you, Milo! Damn you! Wait, that's not Milo. Who's there? You! Hello, baby brother. Lulu, it's been forever. Since episode 29. Wow, way too long. Guys? Who's Milo? Got him again, boss! Good. Wait, okay. Yep, same here. Get someone else, idiot. Give me that phone. Yes, ma'am. Barry, tell us already. Milo's just... Just what? Just a mid-level villain. Why are we so worried then? It's his boss. Barkley? Yes, ma'am? Enough already. Who is Rilo's boss? Why won't you tell me? You in on this, Barry? Stop getting the same guy! Sorry, boss. What did I do? Can't believe you don't trust me. I was protecting you. From who, Barry? Your ex-girlfriend. What? Barry, wait. Wait, that's not my... Get up, Rilo. Check on Papa. Yes, ma'am. You know Barry's not evil. I know, I'm just stressed. So that's why you beat up Gary? I didn't. Twice. Oh,